This elegant, custom-built home on a large private lot is ideally located just minutes from downtown Lake Oswego and close to the Oswego Lake Country Club, as well as top-rated Lake Oswego schools. Backing to a green space, it's nestled among old-growth trees, professional landscaping, and tranquil water features. You'll discover luxurious living spaces with gas fireplaces and built-ins in this open-concept floor plan. French doors lead to the fabulous terrace overlooking your spacious backyard, where stress can melt away in your private hot tub. The Gourmet kitchen combines elegance with optimal functionality with a spacious island, large walk-in pantry, a breakfast bar perfect for conversation, a gas cooktop, high-end appliances, and a butler's pantry. No detail is overlooked, from the beautiful hardwood floors to the large windows maximizing natural light. The formal dining room is framed with wainscoting and crown molding. French doors open to the handsome office with a gas fireplace and storage. From your main-level master suite, enjoy the direct access to the private deck for your morning coffee or tea. The master bath is your own private oasis with a jetted tub, a dual-sink vanity, tile shower, and a walk-in closet. The graceful staircase leads to a light and bright bonus room with a charming window seat. Plus 2 more generous bedrooms and a full bath. The lower level is ready for large or small gatherings with a gas fireplace, a convenient wet bar, and a media room perfect for movie or game night. You'll find an additional guest room and another full bath. In your private backyard, listen to the sounds of the water feature or enjoy the built-in grill in this peaceful setting. Other features include new paint, lighting, carpet, and an oversized 3-car garage. A spectacular home in a fantastic Lake Oswego neighborhood. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.